Setting up a stop loss on Robinhood crypto is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can set up a stop loss on Robinhood crypto. Well, the process is pretty simple. First things first, launch your Robinhood app on your mobile phone. Second thing, navigate to your crypto. Just tap on the crypto tab, which should be at the bottom of the screen. Now select your cryptocurrency, which means choose the cryptocurrency for which you want to set up stop loss. Now you just simply have to tap on trade button for selected cryptocurrency and then choose sell to sell, whatever you want to do. Now enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell and tap on stop price. There you will see an option for, stop price. You just have to, tap on stop price, which should be below the amount you will see. Now set the stop price, enter the price at which you want your, stop loss order to trigger. Now review the details of your order, including the estimate to order total, and tap on review. And then once you're satisfied with the details, tap on place order to set up your stop loss order. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to set up a stop loss order on Robinhood Crypto. Hope you guys find this video helpful.